lovelies! Today we're making a batch of yummy, nutritious, plant-based muffins. They are so good. They're packed full of protein, omegas, antioxidants. They are oil-free, gluten-free. Oh, they're so delicious and they're so good for you. Half the batch will be breakfast muffins with sultanas and goji berries and black currants, and the other half will be chocolate chip. They're good for a treat after dinner.
These muffins are really easy and quick to make, and they're so handy for breakfasts, snacks and desserts. I start with my chia egg as this thickens with time. I use half a cup of chia seeds with 1.5 cups of water, mix them together well and set aside to thicken. Chia seeds are so good for protein and for omegas. My dry ingredients I keep simple and nutritious. 1 cup of oat flour, 1 cup of oats. Oats are amazing for protein, heart health, and they promote good gut bacteria, as well as of course being rich in antioxidants, minerals and vitamins. 1 cup of coconut flour and 1 cup of desiccated coconut, rich in protein, fibre and minerals like copper, iron and manganese. 4 tablespoons of baking powder for lighter, fluffier muffins, also rich in calcium and phosphorus, so great for our bones and teeth. And half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is an impressive superfood rich in antioxidants, it's antibacterial, it keeps your brain young, it's good for your gut health, blood pressure, and it fights free radicals. Mix the dry ingredients together really well and break up all the lumps. In a separate bowl, I'm mixing my wet ingredients. I'm mashing 3 large bananas to really smooth and sticky. They're a fabulous binder. They give the muffins a gorgeous flavour and keep them moist. Bananas are a prebiotic. They're rich in potassium, B6, folate, vitamin C and fibre. 3 teaspoons of a quality vanilla extract. Half a cup of maple syrup to make these muffins so scrumptious with a natural sweetener. 1 cup of 100% peanut butter for protein and stickiness. The chia egg is now really sticky and thick. Add the beautifully thickened chia egg mix to the wet ingredients and mix everything together really well. I like to fold my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients gradually. It becomes really tough to stir and will look lovely and thick like this. I'm halving my cake mix to make 2 types of banana muffins. Half will be breakfast fruit muffins and half will be after dinner choc chip muffins. I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of vegan chocolate chips to half the mix. I make these chocolate chip muffins most weeks. The chocolate chip muffins satisfy all sweet cravings after dinner. To the breakfast muffin half, I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of dried mixed berries. Today I have sultanas, goji berries and black currants. These are rich in vitamins and minerals like potassium, iron, calcium, protein and antioxidants, which fight against inflammation and help protect against cancer and heart disease. I love silicone moulds. Nothing ever sticks. I press the muffin mix into the cupcake moulds, and depending how full you pack them, the 2 batches will make around 18 banana muffins. My oven's preheated to 200 degrees centigrade. As soon as they start cooking, they smell fabulous. They take 20 minutes. I always toothpick test to see how dry or moist they are. They are so yummy warm. Once cool, I place them in 2 lidded containers. They store in the fridge really well for 5 or 6 days. I love them for breakfast, for snacks, lunch boxes and after dinner sweet treats. Please hit the like button. I hope you make these yummy nutritious muffins and they're super handy for you too. Chocolate chips perfectly throughout, such a lovely consistency and so nutritious.
They're so yummy. They're so moist.
For more yummy plant-based vegan recipes, subscribe and explore my channel. Next time I'm sharing some of my favourite vegan salads that are so tasty and so nutritious. I look forward to seeing you then. Bye!